Let's have some work in doing the question. ES Spoken English. Peel. Peel. Slice. Slice. Grate. Grate. Pour. Pour. Boil. Boil. Whisk. Whisk. Fry. Fry. Roll. Roll. Stir. Stir. Simmer. The difference between simmer and boil. Rapid simmer and the rolling boil. Poach. Roast. Grill. That's all for now. Thanks for being with the A.